What up again? It's your boy Sunny Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. It's all about the board. Yo, Root Kid just dropped kwiti. Yo, bro, that nigga. Yo, when Root Kid left this day, even myself I was thinking, is this guy going to have a comeback or is not going to have a comeback because of being independent is not a thing. It's not something which name Trangatamangach like for him to even deliver that song with that content, creativity, deliverance, like the ideas he was like it's really amazing. Confessor, this is a track to an music video. Not one of those Ian from create music like we eat or even music video on. It shows Uri. It was written or after this part what is Juna flow as long as Kotangana no snitch could eat my parents with them many. The artists will do one. Matter when it comes to a song you need with it's a good song. Track ya voting a manda. Dingo track in the kufunga Root Kid or deliver zera or zone because this one Root Kid to deliver zone. But as of Lego ngasum blame ndi Lego ze a deliver rumora belelo ukutita zvero ukwana but bofrida ndiyabala muthu vhane bwabo toto ispace ngongwana nduri to ishela munhu uri diferele ngongwana ela track bofrida chine vako nduri zvavo ndotoda vato idifelelisa fesi nduri Lego utoda shela prepare na zvakajaka zvotenga ntani ngongwana then Root Kid na pro hit ndibone vhathu vhane boifara ngokwana aba vamwe rikoto that's why ndi kunyoza Root Kid na it's not like ushumisa abapengo it's not like Lego wapenga nah I don't believe that never was them wazibona uri when muzindi release a track doesn't make sense or release a track ile and if you ngiyasebenza anamas the difference ndizvine track itowa zvone mara as fans of him ari mujenga ndira yera wenjanga because of rumdivera muthu nekuzira akweta zvotamba like nyadore kidi karene as Venda nyadore dikad uri mukatogeresa artist be say artist ne inga aina mushumo sonya and it's not like ana mushumo uba ana mushumo just that name it was ne as it artist jira fast because of most of the time work was touching ukutamba and that's what motivates him. This is why we have a position in Avakaya. So, but when you says that Uri, the artist says Suzune, if we're doing it, this attraction, we have to do it more or remain. You suck it dry, you get every single cent from that content that we have because content doesn't last, you know what I'm saying? Content is there for a moment and then it passes. And if you don't make it and nisa ishumi say content either vibe so Root Kid is takela track is amazing track is chapo blind go feel that quite is as nice to it is though they done don't when kushita bobana video on account ajubange yawe in a 1 hour 1k views that means we're going to expect to cut the next hour even at 2,000 views or even more. No, I go expect to at 2,000 views. Sure, ni need to just and need to the text on iron is to feel. You know what it is. Boom out of here.